6 R1 Raven. I just got the graves on there. Cat eliminator. No cat. Stainless steel braided brake lines. Front and back. CRGs. Oh yeah, and an awesome dog. Bentley. Hey. Dick, sit down. Sit down. Good boy, look. Good boy. Cool dog, alright. Yeah, man. Fucking race is good to go. I got some other stuff on the way. Angel eyes and such like that. Hold up a second, I gotta get my brother out here. So I can give you guys the exhaust notes. There's not so many R1s out there with the graves, so I want you guys to hear. I know everybody's been looking for them and stuff, so here you go, guys.